Hey guys, today's activity is perfect for teenagers. You can use this as a warm-up at the start of your class, or if you have a spare 10 minutes, pull this one out the bag. I'm sure they'll love it. Okay, let's check it out. Okay guys, it's story time. So as I said before, this game is great for teenagers, middle school, high school. The first time they play, they might not grasp the game as much, but once you play a second, third time, I can guarantee they'll be in fits of laughter. My students love this game. So, how I do, first of all, write this on the board and just explain. Number 1 is the boy's name, 2, girl's name, 3 is your place, so at the or in the. He said, she said, and what did they do? So what happened? So the way I play, we have 6 pieces of paper and ask the students who wants to write the boy's name, who wants to write the girl's name. So assign each student one part, okay? So no one knows what they're writing down, okay? So after, collect all the pieces of paper and simply read the story to the class. So, for example, David met Sarah at the hotel. He said, I love you. She said, I want to fight you. And so they kissed. Now, this is just an example of something that you might get, you might have to read out. It becomes funnier when the students realise how the game works and they start using students' names within the class. Okay, so hope you like this game guys, and as usual, any requests for future videos, leave a comment below, and hope you have a good day. See you in the next video. Cheers.